photo shoot of a toy dinosaur in the autumn forest. The weather was sunny and warm. For the photo shoot, I used my Fujifilm XT100 camera and a Fujinon 15 to 45mm lens, which is quite convenient, since it is lightweight and compact. The beauty of such a photo shoot is that this process is similar to meditation. You can spend hours photographing a dinosaur, imagining how it would behave in this forest. There are enough different locations in the forest in the form of arrays, old fallen trees, various shrubs to give the photo an interesting look. To capture a part of the landscape. Combine a subject photo shoot with the beauty of nature. And most importantly, there are no people here who will pay attention to you and twist your finger at your temple. Therefore, you can use my experience as an example for outdoor recreation.